So what's up everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how I actually organize my file for big projects like branding and all of that. Okay, the site that I actually use, I've been using it for quite some time and I just want to share with you and how you can also try to use it. Okay, the site is actually called milanote.com. okay, let's say you are working on a big project and you just want to get things organized from the client and briefs and all of that. Actually, it's an online website. I think they also have plugins for Google Chrome and all of that, but this is how the page actually look like. Okay, you can create mood boards. Okay, you can type in whatever you want instead of creating mood boards just in Pinterest alone. Okay, you can actually create stable. Maybe you have something and you just want to just talk about it with your clients, you just want to break down things, it's all work together. The sweet part is whenever you create a mood board, for example this one, you can name it in and you want to double click on it, it's going to open another broad table and you can come here and name the project. Let's say you're working on a project that says let's say gift branding, just the name gift branding. Okay, you can just have the title here and now you can maybe add images. Maybe client sent you something. Let me go to my desktop if I have an image there. Maybe the client sent you something, you can actually just drag it into your document and you can just add it here. Maybe you just want to add something like notes, you can drag in from the side and just give it a name. Maybe let's say yoni oil. Okay, you can use it like this. You can even bring in anything, you can draw. Maybe you want to make some movements and you can just click save. And maybe you want to duplicate this, you can bring in here something like wireframing and all of that. It all makes sense. Okay, it's just that the free version only gives you some limited space, so everything you bring in into Milanote takes space. So or else you want to get more space, then you have to pay for the premium version. I think the free version may not really give you more space as you want. You can actually just bring in more notes. For example, let's say you have let me see, and also you can also bring a to-do list. Maybe there's a task I need to do, maybe you want to get inspiration. It can actually just help you inspiration, and so you hit enter, it's going to give you another one. Let's say carry client along. I'm just thinking, yeah, carry client along. Let's say something like download mockups, spelling of download is wrong. Okay, download mockup, and you can just have this to do here and you can just drag and drop anywhere you want. It's like a white space. Okay, the more you bring in things into your workspace, the bigger it gets. Okay, so you can just come here and be taking off the things that you've done as long as this project is concerned, and any feedback you get from the clients, you can actually just come and drop it here. Okay, maybe clients give you you can actually just add a comment and you can actually invite friends. Okay, this is me here, you can invite friends. This depends on how many people you've added. I think you can share. This is what happens when you share. So you can invite editor via email, so you can actually copy the email of the person to this part and just share with the client, and the client can actually just view it and be able to drop something like a comment. Okay, maybe the person wants to drop a comment here, can say, hey, please can you make this color brown or something, anything, just to keep things organized. So it's kind of a communication tool between you and your client. If you can actually afford this to your creative process, it will help you a lot. And also the view section, we have the zoom, how much zoom do you want. Okay, it's very easy to do. Okay, let me go back home. I've used this to actually organize. I started using it recently, even though it's something I've always known, and I've used it to organize this project and it's really working well so far. And so that brings us to the end of the video. I'll be finding it helpful. If this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button. And today is day 66 of me teaching what I know as a graphic designer. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.